Hey you all, here's the second video of the series Simple Math Tricks for Daily Life. In this video I will teach you an easy trick that will allow you to multiply any number by 5 in your mind faster than a calculator. If you saw my last video, you will notice that this trick is very similar. It is just the inverse operation. So let's get into it. But focus. To multiply any number by 5, we follow two steps, which can be done mentally. Step 1, divide the number by 2. Step 2, multiply the number by 10. Let's see some examples. Let's say we want to do 24 times 5. First, divide 24 by 2. This equals to 12. Then multiply 12 by 10. This is 120. Done! 24 times 5 is 120. Let's see another example. This time we will multiply 86 times 5. Step 1. 86 divided by 2 is 43. Then 43 times 10 is 430. Just like that. Let's do one more. This time a 3-digit number. Let's calculate 641 times 5. 641 divided by 2 is 320.5. 320.5 times 10 is 3205. For this one, let's check with a calculator. 3205. That's a good one, right? The way this trick works is the same as before, but with inverse operations. Before, we saw that dividing by 5 is the same as multiply by 1/5, and this is the same as multiply by 2/10. Now it's just the opposite. Multiplying by 5 is the same as multiplying by 5/1, and this is the same as multiply by 10/2. 5/1 is equal to 5, as well as 10/2 is equal to 5. If we separate this into two steps, we can first multiply by 10 and then divide by 2. However, since multiplication and division have the same order, we can do the operation the other way around. First divide by 2 and then multiply by 10. I like it more in this order, because the numbers stay small and the trick is more similar to the first one. One way to remember this trick is the following. We know that to divide by 5, we first multiply by 2 and then divide by 10. Now, to multiply by 5, we first divide by 2 and then multiply by 10. In both cases, we use the same numbers, namely 2 and 10. So the only thing we need to remember is what operation to use in each case. A simple way to remember these tricks is to do the inverse operation with 2. If we are multiplying by 5, we divide by 2. On the other hand, if we want to divide by 5, we need to multiply by 2. What about the 10? Well, apply the inverse operation that what you just did with the 2. If you want to know how I made this cool animation, look at the description below. And if you like this video or found it useful, give it a like and smash that subscribe button. Until next time, Math Magic signing out.